Hey guys, so in today's video, I want to show you guys something cool that I found that converts your long form content into shorts. So I ran this little experiment for about 6 weeks. You may have noticed I haven't had any long form videos in a while, where I just had this app create some of my older videos before shorts were really a thing and turn them into YouTube shorts. And I just want to show you guys how it did compared to the shorts that I've created. Sometimes I've just kind of expanded the landscape and kind of turned it into portrait, but it doesn't look as good as just recording in portrait. And I think this does a better job than me at just kind of editing a landscape video into portrait. I'm going to show you guys why. But let's look first of all and see how this did in terms of how many views I got on videos compared to the ones that I created myself. We're just going to go into my YouTube studio here. And you can see here that all of these videos are ones that the AI created. So, well, I guess you don't know that, but I'm telling you that. And you can see that there's a couple here that did pretty good, got over 1,000 views, over 1,000 views here, over 1,000 views here. So these are all still ones that I did with this app that I'm about to show you guys. And so you can see, somewhere between 500 and 1,500 views is kind of what it got. I believe the last one that was created with that is this one over here. So everything from here on are ones that I created. So you can see typically I get about 500 views. Some of them pop a little bit, get 1,700 views, things like that. But so it definitely didn't do worse than what I would normally get in terms of views or stats or anything like that. So now I'll show you guys the app and how it works. So basically you just go to the Klapp App website here and you take your video and you just put it in here and you get it to generate. Now the cool thing here is this reframe. You definitely want to have that on. What that will do is it'll actually perfectly frame the shot. So if you're doing like a talking head video like I'm doing right now, it'll perfectly frame you right in the center. I even noticed like I did a video that converted a short that I did a review for like a couch. And like there was a lot of like panning across the screen, and did a really good job at kind of like panning with it. And that saves actually a lot of time if you've ever done any video editing, and trying to do that from a landscape to a portrait is a lot of time. So basically you can have captions and emojis, which is kind of cool. Captions help people that are watching it on mute to kind of still kind of know what's going on. And then you just click generate shorts. And once it's uploaded, it'll create about 3 different shorts for you. You can set it to, you can see here the duration to auto, or if you want it to be exactly 1 minute, that it'll only give you 1 minute options. If you set it to auto, it'll sometimes do like a 2.5 minute video. And basically once it's uploaded and it generates those videos, then you can decide which one you like better. I'm not going to let this finalize. We're just going to go and show you, for example, this one over here that I created, and it'll show you all these different options. And it gives you title ideas too that you can put to help you with SEO. And so these are all the different ones that it did: 30 seconds, 50 seconds, and then you just download it in HD and you upload it as a short. So this is a huge time saver. It is free if you don't mind having a little watermark. Otherwise, I think it's about $20 a month. So if you're someone that's creating a lot of content and you just want to have your long form videos automatically converted into shorts without having to record a separate video in portrait mode, then this is something you might be interested in. And also, if you guys like a really awesome, breathable, comfortable, form-fitting t-shirts, you might want to check out the link in my description below. I'll have, I think, a 20 or 30% off discount code for you guys. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.